Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to deposit money into your Luno wallet. Before you can buy any crypto or Luno, you need to fund your account. So whether you're depositing Naira, Rand, Euro or any other supported currency, I'm going to walk you through the process. First, launch the Luno app from your mobile device. Log in using your credentials if you're not already logged in. Then from the bottom of the screen, go ahead and tap on portfolio. And once you tap on portfolio, you will see a list of wallets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and your local currency wallet, like Naira wallet, Euro wallet, depending on the one that you have set up, which of course you would have done after verifying your account. So go ahead and tap on your local currency wallet. For example, it could be Naira wallet, Euro wallet, or Rand wallet. Then once you tap on your local currency wallet, tap the deposit button. Luno will now show available deposit methods based on your location. These may include bank transfer, instant EFT for South Africa, SEPA transfer for EU users, card payment, which is available in some countries. If you're in Nigeria, you'll see bank transfer options. If you're in South Africa, you might see instant EFT or paystack. Now, Luno will give you a unique bank account number or payment reference. Open your banking app or use internet banking to enter the bank account details provided by Luno, input the exact amount you want to deposit, and use the reference codes exactly as shown. Always include the correct reference code so Luno can match the payment to your account. After you complete the transfer, return to the Luno app and tap I have made the deposit if prompted. Deposits usually reflect within minutes, but can take up to 24 hours depending on the method and your bank. Then go back to the portfolio tab, tap your local currency wallet, and you see your updated balance once the deposit is successful. You're now ready to buy, send, or convert crypto. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.